Last time we talked about how to turn a folk song into a music video, and you guys loved it. I totally get it. In today's world, if you aren't posting to YouTube or TikTok, your music is basically invisible. But you don't just need a random loop. You need visuals that actually feel like the soul of your song. So today, I'm going to show you the pro workflow. We are going to take a moody, soulful track from Suno AI and use BeatViz AI to turn it into a high-end cinematic music video. The goal here is simple. No complex editing, no huge production costs, and, most importantly, a workflow that is so intuitive it feels like an official extension of Suno. Let's get into it. First, we need that bass track. To generate music, BeatViz has their own music gen and analyzer tools right here, so you don't have to leave the platform. But today, we are focusing on the music video workflow with Suno, so I'm going to head over there. I'm over here in Suno AI. For this walkthrough, we're going for a specific vibe, something soulful, dreamy, and melancholic. I'm in custom mode. I don't have lyrics at hand, so I'll go down to the advanced options and let Suno generate lyrics for a song about shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies. For the style, I'm using soulful blues jazz, slow tempo, melancholic, smoky female vocals, soft piano, emotive lounge vibe. Let's listen to what we got.
Coffee gone cold on the floor, clock blinking 3:04. Every room a quiet echo of a song I used to know. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies. Say your name so.
That is perfect. It has a soulful, vintage vibe into it, accompanied by the jazz beats. Slow, but flowing. Now, instead of downloading it, just click on the song and copy the URL. That's our secret shortcut. Now let's head over to BeatViz AI. Here we are in the dashboard. As you already know, BeatViz is an AI tool that is exclusively and specifically made for music videos. I'm going to click the Try Music Video Agent button. This is the brain of the operation. You can describe the music video you have envisioned and add your music track right here. Click Add Music, and you have two options. One is local upload, and here you can upload your song's audio file you have, which is the approach we took in the previous video. But this time, I'm going to go with the other input option. Remember the URL we copied from Suno? Just paste it right here and click Import Music. See? It pulls the track instantly. BeatViz is directly integrated with Suno, so you can just copy the link and paste in to take your song into the platform in one click to work on your music video. Here, we need to select the portion which we need to create the music video for. I'll select the segment from where the first verse hits and confirm. Now, our audio input is ready. Look at this new setting at the bottom, Content Mode. This is a new update from BeatViz, and under this content mode, you'll see two options, storytelling and singing. Since I want this to feel like a moody cinematic film rather than just a performance, I'm selecting storytelling mode. Next, checking the quality. BeatViz recently introduced a new Pro model for 1080p. It gives you much higher resolution and sharper details, but actually costs fewer credits than it used to. I'm definitely toggling that on with 10-second clip duration. We'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 for that classic movie feel. And here under Preset, you can create a character for your music video. We still have the Cowboy Mark character we generated for our previous content. This is especially useful for singing type content, but since this time I'm going for a storytelling concept, I'll pass on it. In the preset below, we can choose the style for your video. For emotion, I'm going to choose nostalgic and memory. And for vibe, I'm envisioning a 1950s vintage noir vibe. But it's not here as an option, so I'm going to go with the realistic style. Hopefully BeatViz will adhere to our prompt. In the prompt box, I'm going to be a bit detailed for the noir vibe we want here. Vintage noir, 1950s film aesthetic, high contrast black and white, cinematic lighting, smoky atmosphere, 35mm film grain, elegant. We are all good to go, so let's hit generate video. The analysis is starting. This is where BeatViz listens to the track. It's identifying the dynamics of that slow piano and the smoky vocals to make sure the camera movement matches the soul of the music. It's given me 3 creative directions. I'm going with the detective of her own heart concept because it seems romantic and might fit well for this slow burn lounge vibe. And now BeatViz AI is carefully analyzing not only our prompt, but also the exact song input we provided as well to generate the frames for our music video. Check out this storyboard. The lighting is stunning. Heavy shadows and bright highlights. It looks like a real 1950s movie. The first frame even has the 3:04 time in clock, accurately as per our song lyrics. It's very impressive that BeatViz has grabbed the exact vibe that we requested. I feel like the first frame's character is slightly different from the rest of the frames. You can regenerate if you want by editing the prompt, but here I'm going to neglect that and move on. Because we chose black and white, there's no color shifting to worry about. Let's give the green light to animate them. And here we go. I must say, given the scope of storytelling, the video generation of BeatViz is incredibly fast. Let's check the generated clips one by one.
Clock blinking, 3:04. Every room a quiet echo of a song I used to know. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies. Say your name so.
Yes, BeatViz has picked the vintage noir style perfectly. The motion is smooth, cinematic, and there is almost zero morphing because of high contrast lighting. I do think there was slight flickering in the physical movements and consistency between frame jumping, but the understanding of the input is still quite impressive, and there's a genuine sense of loneliness and loss, the feeling of missing someone throughout the video clips. Also, the way the light hits the smoke in the background is a great detail. I'm really happy with this. So let's confirm and compose the full video.
The floor, clock blinking, 3:04. Every room a quiet echo of a song I used to know. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies. Say your name so low it barely breathes. I chase the outline of a tune I can't retrieve. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies.
The sync is spot on. Every time the piano hits a low note, the camera angle shifts and cuts into the next frame. It feels like this was directed by a human who actually understands the structure and melody of the song. Here's the final outcome with some trimming and transitions.
The floor, clock blinking, 3:04. Every room a quiet echo of a song I used to know. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies. Say your name so low it barely breathes. chase the outline of a tune I can't retrieve. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies.
That was the simple mode workflow. But if you look at the sidebar, there's the Music Video Studio, which takes us to the custom mode. Just like before, I'm gonna paste our song link from Suno AI, import, and hit Start Creating. This is a full-blown production suite. You have a timeline at the bottom and a library on the left. This is where you become the director. Here you can generate each frame for your music video one by one using Nano Banana Pro models, and then put them as start frames and animate them to create your video clips. So, let's try it out. Maybe as a possible B-roll for our video. In the Generate Frame tab, I'm gonna type close-up of a 1950s vintage silver microphone, smoky background, black and white, high contrast, cinematic. Let's see what comes up. That's excellent. Rich with detail, and quality is very good. Now in the Generate Video tab, I just select the VO 3.1 video model, drag the image we just generated as my start frame, and hit Generate. And if you have a character, you can enable lip sync as well here for your video. Yeah, that looks terrific. Now I can just drag this B-roll onto my timeline exactly where I want. This is how you craft a deeper story instead of just letting the AI guess. Unlike the simple mode, with custom mode, you can create clips for the whole duration of your song. Once you're happy, you can hit export and download the full music video. In about 10 minutes, we went from a simple URL in Suno to a professional-grade noir music video. With BeatViz subscription, you own the song, you own the visuals, and it's ready to be monetized on YouTube. If you have Suno tracks gathering dust in your library, stop waiting, hit the link in the description, import your Suno song, and see the magic of visuals. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing.